Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, grade 5. Welcome to your English lesson. Open your English Broadway books, page 21. Today we will be revising Harm No Living Thing. We have already read the poem, but let's revise it. Nature provides us with many things, but in our greed for more we often destroy nature. The poem reminds us that all living things, plants and animals have a right to live in peace. Nature is all about the environment, okay? All the things that we have in our environment, if they are plants, if they are animals, if they are mountains, but we human beings harm our nature. So this poem is about that we should not harm any living thing. Let's read the poem. Let your hand harm no living thing. You should not harm any living thing. Tread not on the busy ant. When there is an ant walking, so you should not put your foot on the ant that is walking. Okay, tread means that you should not put your feet on it. Okay, or things that crawl or creep, or you should also not put your feet on the things that crawls or that creep. Okay, we are talking about the insects in here. Cause no mischief to those that fly, and you should not harm any animal that is flying. For example, the birds. Leave in peace watery creatures. You should also leave the watery the creatures, the animals that live in water, the animals and plants that live in water, so you should also leave them in peace. Renew your spirit, soul, energy from provided plants that care and heal. You should use plants for your soul, for your energy, for your illness, because plants cure us and they also can heal us. They can work as medicines. Okay, so the writer says that you should use the plants instead of the animals that we harm them in our greed. Forbid your mind from searching greed, so you should not be greedy. Okay, for only more is enough. The more you do better to the nature, the more it will provide to us. It means that. Okay, now you should read the poem and send your recording. Also do question number 1 in books on page 22. Okay, the poet mentions 3 kind of creatures in animal kingdom. So what kind of creatures the poet mentions? For example, he mentions the animals that crawl and creep. So what we call them? We call them the insects. So in first column you will have to write insects. Then he also mentions the creatures that fly. So birds fly. In second line you will have to write birds. And then he mentions the watery creatures, the creatures that live in water. So fish live in water, you will have to write fish over here. Do your homework and send me your feedback. Good luck. Thank you.